So last week I needed to go somewhere, and since the weather was fine, we're having a very mild winter, I decided to take the bicycle. And I mostly use the bicycle whenever possible. It's good for me, it's good for my wallet, and it's also good for the freaking environment. So I inflated both of the tires. The bicycle had been standing still for maybe 3 months. Unfortunately, then there was a problem, and I ended up having to use another bicycle. As you can see, there's a problem with this chain. Most of the links have frozen up. I think it's because I neglected to clean the bicycle after I used it in the wet last autumn. Maybe it's because I use WD-40 on the chain, I don't know. This is the first time I see this. It's really bad, and finding and using the quick link to remove the chain will probably be very difficult. So I have decided to cut the chain at more than one location. Dirty business. There's not a whole lot of rust, but this is no longer usable. Lucky for me, I do have a spare chain laying around from my mountain biking days. So now I need to clean this, and I'm hoping the cassette is still good enough to use it with a new chain. Unfortunately, I used up most of or all of my brake cleaner when I did that brake job on a Ford Fusion last week. But I will soak this in some WD-40, later take out the wheel and clean it as best as I can. I'm counting 57 links on this old chain, and there's the quick link, but that doesn't really matter anymore. Unfortunately, my new chain does not have a quick link, but I'll see if I have something laying around, because I don't feel like punching these together. I'm counting 56 links on this new chain, and that's one less than the original, but I don't think that is going to be a problem, since I hardly ever use that largest sprocket on my cassette. I did find a quick link. It's a KMC, and this chain is from Shimano. But I think that is going to work out, and looks like I will need to remove this last bit here, but I'll do that after I'm done cleaning. So this should be clean enough, and I think the cassette is still okay, because nowhere did my cloth get caught by some jaggedy edges. But I did find something else that I do not really like. Not sure. This might actually be dirt from the brake pads instead of oxidation. The tires, well, it won't be long till they need to be replaced. It's not a problem to use a KMC link on a Shimano chain. Now let's install this chain on the bicycle, because I'm done cleaning the derailleur and the chain rings. I guess I could have made them cleaner, but like I said, I'm out of brake cleaner. And here comes the new chain. I had almost forgotten the wheel, but not completely. I got the chain threaded through the drillers, and now I need to hook up the KMC quick link, or whatever they call this link. Alright, I need to pull this, and I have a pair of pliers for that. Done. And now I need to test this a bit. The chain is currently at the second to largest cog at the rear, and you can see it's maybe a bit short. Let's try shifting. Yeah, that chain is a bit short, but I don't think it will be a problem. Using a shifter upside down is terrible. Well, I can get it on the largest cog, but like I said before, I don't think I will ever use it like this. And the last thing that I'm going to do is clean the chain, because it's kind of sticky with the conservation grease. And I'm using a light multi-purpose oil, or multi-spray, from Bison. I hope this will work better than that WD-40 I was using before. Oh, and one more thing. I just made my first video public on my new bicycle YouTube channel, the Bicycle Shit Show. Go check that out if you like. I'll try to keep that channel clean from other videos that I make, so no burning shit or fixing computer fans. Anyway, that's it for this video. Like, subscribe, yada yada yada, and to be continued. And I guess I will now have to take a test ride. So I'm back from my test ride, and everything went fine. Even shifting to the largest cog was without problems. So I guess this bicycle is ready for some springtime fun. Yeah, like I said, everything went fine. And I didn't even notice that I forgot to hook up the rear V-brake till I got home. Like I said before, brakes are optional if you live in a flat country like the Netherlands. Till next time.